Níl saga muid go ótá sé go yeah. Gur mí maigad ar fá. Agus just gur maigad bhean as an currah bheith páteach Scoil Éigse. It's great to be part of the Scoil Éigse, and I have a lovely class for songs, as you can maybe hear from my throat, so I'll do my best for the people that are in my class. I'm going to sing a version of Van Diemen's Land that I learned from the singing of Robert Cinnamon. Thank you. Sorry. Come all you gallant poachers that ramble void of care, for when you go a-hunting with your dog and your gun and snare, the hare and lofty pheasant, they are at your command. Think on that tedious journey going to Van Diemen's Land. There was Thomas Brown from Marmatown, Pat Martin and poor Joe. They were three loyal sportsmen, as the country well did know. Alas, they were all taken by the keeper of the strand, and for 14 years transported unto Van Diemen's Land. And once I had a sweetheart, Jane Summers was her name. She was sent out to Durban for the playing of a game, but the captain, he fell in love with her, and he married her out of hand. And the best of treatment she gives to us, going to Van Diemen's Land. And the boys, when that we had landed, all on that fatal shore, the planters, they gathered around us, there might be 20 score. They ranked us off like horses, then they sold us out of hand, and we were yoked to the plough, me boys, for to plough Van Diemen's Land. And the cottages we live in are built of sods and mud. We have rotten straw for bedding, but we dare not say a word. Our huts we ring with firing, and we slumber when we can, to keep away the wild beasts that prowl Van Diemen's Land. Oft times when I do slumber, I have a pleasant dream. I dream I'm with my own true love down by on purling stream, and her and I are married, and her on my right hand. But when I awoke, my heart was broke all on Van Diemen's Land. And if I had 50 sovereigns bright, or 10 times as many more, wouldn't I freely give it to be on old Erin shore? And so there I would be married, and I'd be a happy man, and I'd bid farewell to sporting, likewise Van Diemen's Land for mine.